The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the trunk. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get on a step, just like I am right here. One foot on the step. You're going to go up on the tippy toe on the back leg, and I'm going to get pretty heavy on the inside heel. From here, you're going to get a subtle tuck without crunching. If you're someone who tends to crunch, I would hinge back a little bit at the start and then get the tuck. So I'm going to get that tuck. I'm going to take my elbow that's on the same side as my front leg. I'm going to reach it forward and down towards the leg like so without crunching. You're going to try to connect your elbow to your knee. Hold this position. I want you to breathe in this position. Silent in. Exhale. Reach the elbow without coming up like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.